I was eating rice with a spoon, and somebody said eating rice with a spoon is crazy. Eating rice with a spoon is crazy? Y'all lost the plot. Y'all lost me. I'm gone. Eating rice with a spoon. So what exactly am I supposed to use a spoon for? Please tell me. Because I could have sworn forks were made for spaghetti, pasta, like anything that you got to stab, right? And I thought spoon, we could use it to eat rice or soup or anything that we need a hold of. But somebody just said, oh, I'm wild for eating rice with a spoon. I'm wild for that? Y'all lost me. I'm completely gone. I'm not going to lie. Eating rice with a fork, it does like add a little pizzazz. But when my rice is falling through my fork, like this is aggravating. So no, I'm not going to continue eating rice with a fork. Like,